We're excited to introduce the Walker Signature line, now available in our store. These next-level hair replacement products combine cutting-edge technology with Walker's trusted quality to deliver exceptional results. The lineup includes Signature Adhesive, Signature Tape, and Signature Remover. Let's talk about the game-changing Signature Tape. It is thinner, stronger, and more advanced than anything on the market at just about 6.5 mils thick, compared to the typical 10 to 11 mils. It provides a dependable 4+ week hold, and the tape's dull finish and flexible liner create a lifelike natural look while keeping it incredibly comfortable. Thanks to its low residue design, cleanup is fast and easy. It's transparent with a white liner, making it perfect for lace units. Next up is the Signature Remover. It's medical-grade organic and citrus-based, gently yet powerful for quick and easy adhesive breakdown. Here's why customers love it. It's gentle on the skin, works quickly and efficiently. The convenient spray bottle makes application easy. The scent is pleasant and mild. Cleanup? Just soap and water and you're done. Whether you're a salon professional or a DIY expert, these products are designed to deliver the best possible hair replacement experience. Shop the Walker Signature line in our stores today. We promise you'll love the difference.